Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. We thank you all for subscribing to our YouTube channel and giving your support. So now we will see this performance of the yesterday, that is 3rd May 2021. Yesterday in the morning in YouTube channel, we have given the live free call about on crude oil, natural gas, bank nifty and all. In Telegram channel, we had given copper, nickel, silver, other stock also we had given. So those who want a live support in the live market, please subscribe to our free Telegram channel in the name of MST School of Trading. You can search in the Telegram, or we will be giving the link in the video's description. Okay, first let us start. Now this is our MST core indicator. We are following only one indicator for all the markets. We also having some specialized indicator for equity, stocks and indices. So now I will show you this multi-purpose indicator that we call it as MST Core 2.0. So here I'm using D Core. In D Core, I'm having both the Bank Nifty indicator as well as the multi-purpose indicator. So now what we have to do in the morning, after 9:35, just click either 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame. Okay, whichever you want, you can keep in the morning. Now go to indicator settings. So here in the left corner, you can see the indicator settings. In the middle button, that is the settings. Click onto it. Then enable first buy and first sell. Enable first buy and first sell. Wait for a few minutes. Let the market goes in any one direction. So now market has opened here, and this is our buy entry and this is our sell entry. So sell entry is at 40 and buy entry is at 01, that is 4701. So what happened in the morning? First it has reached down. It means buy has been activated. Now, as per the strategy, what we have to do, once buy activated, we have to ignore the sell order. Okay. Now I'm going to cancel the sell order. I have cancelled it. So now I'm enabling the stop loss. What will be the stop loss? When you have enabled the first buy, you have to enable the second sell. Immediately next line will be there. So this will be your second sell. Why we are asking to enable the second sell? The reason is, if SL hit in the first buy, immediately we have to go for the reverse entry. So reverse entry, if we have taken buy entry, buy, the opposite of buy will be sell. So now we have to sell at 4663 if SL hit. But what happened? SL did not hit. Our target 4739 exactly hit. So here itself our trading over. If you are a single trader, then your trade got over in the first target itself. You have booked some 38 to 40 points, your trading over. Okay. Now this will be your sell. Your second sell will be your sell for the first buy. Okay. So now if SL hit, we will be taking 2 lot here and we'll be waiting for this target. Since SL was safe and after the entry, market has reached only some 10 points down. So we got the entry immediate target, we got immediately. Then we said in the Telegram group, if you are a risky trader, you take sell also at 40, 43 we said. Market went up to 47. Then it came down to 4701. Then we said again you take buy from 4701. Again people have taken buy and they have booked the profit here. Again we said take sell at 43. They also have taken sell and they have got the target. Again, we said take buy at 4701. They have taken buy entry here. Then we advised to hold the buy, and it has reached the second target. Then we had given one more call from 4796. Okay, this is out of the strategy based on the price action we had given. So as per yesterday, we will consider only one trade. Okay, since we have given more number of trades, that will not be considered. We will consider only one trade, that is buy activated, first target done, second target done. So in as per yesterday, what happened? We got the entry at 4701. So the high made 4791. 4701 minus 4796. So 95 points yesterday we got profit in crude oil. Only single trade. If I am considering all the calls what I have given, then it will be more. So I am not considering 95 points in the crude oil. Okay. But for calculation, I will tell you what happened yesterday. In first buy we got 38 points. Again, I gave second sell. Second call was sell. We got 38 points. Again, first buy activated. Third call also we have given buy. Again, 38 points. Then fourth call activated. Sell, 38 points. Then fifth call we said don't exit buy. So it has given 95 points. Okay. Again, sixth call we had given from 76 sell. Fifth call buy. Sixth call sell. And fourth call buy. And third call sell. Third call buy. Second call sell. And first call buy. And sixth call we have given sell from 96 to it has come down to 63. Some 30 points we have got. So totally the move was very perfect yesterday. It has exactly supported our each and every support and resistance, and it has reversed it. So it was a wonderful day yesterday. So let us calculate how many points we have got. So 38 plus 38 plus 38 plus 95 plus 30. 239 points you have got the profit. Actually, yesterday the total move was only 95 points. Total 239 points you have got the profit. Also, we had said the market is having support, that is strong support at the 82. Only if it breaks and holds, then we will see further fall. Otherwise, bullish only we had informed in the group. If you want, you can check the Telegram group. So exactly yesterday low made was 85. From there it has raised up. So in yesterday, as per calls what you have given, if you have traded, then in single lot you could have booked 23,900 rupees profit. 23,900 rupees profit. If you have simply followed the strategy alone, you could have booked some 9,500 rupees profit per lot. So all these are for per lot. So this is the crude oil calculation. Okay. Now let us see the other script. I will note down in a notepad. So 9,500 as per the strategy and 23,900 as per the calls in crude oil. In crude oil. So next script what we will take? We will take Bank Nifty. So we can take either Bank Nifty features or Bank Nifty index also you can take. So we have to enable first buy and first sell. First buy not activated. Then we should try second, first sell we have to try. So yesterday what happened? You can tell me, right? Exactly sell triggered. See the sell point? It is exactly touched our sell entry. Immediately first target done and third target done and second target done and third target almost done. So we'll take consideration up to second target. So yesterday what was the sell? And about this call we had given in the YouTube channel also in the morning itself. Okay, 32675. 675 minus what was the low? The low made 32,007. 32,007. That is 668 points you have got yesterday profit. How many points? Yesterday we got in Bank Nifty alone 16,700 rupees profit. That is 668 into 25 rupees in Bank Nifty in single lot. Clear? It is very simple. Now what would be the SL for this entry? What you have enabled now? First sell you have enabled. Then the opposite of first is the second, and opposite of buy is the sell. So now you have to enable. The opposite of sell is buy and opposite of first is second. So second buy I have to enable. So now this the red line will be your SL and that will be your second entry. If the SL hit instead of coming down, if it is going in SL hit, then your stop loss is the red line, and immediately that is the place where you have to reverse your order, which means you have to take double lot in the second buy and you have to book at the first target. So the concept is very simple. Every day we are explaining this. You don't get confused. Just follow this and memorize this. Okay. So I will note down the Bank Nifty also. The Bank Nifty profit 16,700 rupees per lot in Bank Nifty. Then next script, what I can take natural gas. Natural gas. So yesterday in natural gas, what happened? Again, we have to enable first buy and first sell as per the strategy. So first what happened? Buy did not activated here. See here, buy not activated. Here is the place where buy will be activated. So sell only activated. So now we have to cancel the buy order. So go here, cancel buy. Now first sell activated. So enable second buy for the stop loss and the reverse entry. So now we can remove these lines and see what happened. So exactly our sell entry activated. It has reached almost nearby to stop loss, but our stop loss was safe. Then it has come down. Then first target done, second target done, and third target also almost done. So let us see how many points we have got. I think some 4.5 points we have got from the entry to low. So that is 219.8 minus 215.3. Yes, 4.5 points into 2,250 rupees. That is equivalent to 5,625 rupees. 5625 rupees in natural gas. 4.5 points done in the sell order. So now let us see what about the other script. So I will take copper. So in copper, what happened? So now initially we have to enable both first sell and first buy and see what have happened after the market opens. Now market has opened here. It has come down and our buy entry got activated. So now we have to cancel the first sell and enable the second sell for the reverse entry and the SL. Now first buy activated, here buy activated, this is our stop loss and target, first target done. First target done. Second target has not reached, okay, but 90% of the second target has done. So now what, how many points we have got from here to here? 754.82, 754.80 minus what is the high of the day or intraday close, 764.90. That is 10.1 points we have got. 10.1 into 2,500, that is 25,250 rupees we have got profit. So in copper we have got 10.1 points equal to 25,250 rupees profit. So all these calculations are made only for the single target, I mean a single lot. Okay, so now let me show you the nickel performance. So in nickel, what happened yesterday? First, what activated? Let us see. I will enable first sell and first buy as usual. There is no change in this procedure. So now what happened in the morning? Market has opened here. It has given one low. Then it has made one more low high. Then it came down. Then it has activated exactly. See this perfection. The sell entry is 1328.80 and the high made was 1328.90. 10 paisa it has gone up so that our entry will be activated. And exactly it has activated first target. Let us remove this first buy so that there will be no confusion. So once first sell is activated, immediately how to enable the second buy so that you will get the SL value and the reverse entry level. Always be ready with the reverse entry. We are not telling every day you will not get this kind of profit. Maximum days you will get, but 1 or 2 days you will get a loss also. So that day you should be ready with the reverse entry. Now you have taken 1 lot, in reverse entry you have to take the 2 lot. Don't forget. So now immediately sell activated and target done. And almost second target also done. Okay. So now what is the, how many points we have got? Yesterday low was 1310.2 from 1328.8. So 18.6 points we have got profit yesterday. In a single lot of nickel trade, 18.6 into 1,500 rupees per lot in a crude oil. Okay. The in a nickel, 18.1 points into 1,500 rupees is equivalent to 27,900 rupees. So how simple it is? Very simple, right? And it is exactly giving our targets. So this is in case of nickel. See, I'm not changing any settings. Same indicator I'm using for all the script. What else I can use? I didn't show you the Nifty, right? Nifty also we are seeing every day. So Nifty, what happened? Let us see. So in Nifty, I will enable first buy and second first buy and first sell. So now market has opened above the first buy level here, and it has reached the sell entry. Buy not activated, so I have to remove the first buy. First buy I have to remove, sell only activated, then second buy I have to enable. Clear now? So now what happened? First here, look at this candle, exactly sell activated, and it has given this low. It has given this low. What was that low? 14553. Okay, from 14604 to 14553, some 55 points you have got. 50 means let it be 50 points. 50 points means for 10 points it is 750 rupees for 50 points. How many points? 3,750 rupees profit in Nifty before SL hit. Okay, before SL hit, the profit made was 50 points into 75 rupees. Roughly I have taken that is equal to 3,750 rupees. So now what we are telling, when you are in a profit of 1,500 rupees, right, you have to revise your stop loss. Otherwise, you have to wait for the stop loss or target. It is up to you. So since it has given the profit of 3,750 per lot, you could have revised your stop loss to cost to cost. So in that case, you will be having some 1,500 rupees profit or cost to cost exit. Otherwise, you could have incurred the loss of how many points you have incurred? 14,722.85 minus, what is the entry? 14,604. 118 point you are in loss, and per one lot means 75 points. So it comes to 8,900 rupees loss. So if you are weighted without revising a stop loss, your loss would be 8,938, 8913.75. I will make it 14. Okay. Now what we will be doing, we will be taking double lot at this entry, that is 14,722. So it has given only small movement up. Okay, how many points we have got there? After the entry, 744, some 22 points you have got. Double lot means 44 points. That also almost equivalent to some 3,500 rupees profit. So after 1,500 rupees profit, you should revise the stop loss. If you have revised stop loss, again I'm telling there is no loss. Okay, cost to cost only, you will be exited in both the cases. Suppose if you had waited without revising the stop loss, the loss will be market has closed at 14,696. 696. So the entry was 14,722.85 minus 14,696. That is 26 points. Double lot you have taken, that is 53 points into 75 rupees. That is 4,027.5 rupees loss again. Nifty second entry, if not revise the stop loss. Okay. Second entry, if not revise the stop loss, then loss is some 4,028 rupees. 4,028 rupees. But in both the cases, as per the guidelines given, no loss, because it has given already 3,500 rupees profit in both the entries. That is 7,000 rupees. We are in a profit. Since we have not revised the stop loss has been hit. Okay, so if you are not a risky trader, you can keep revising the stop loss. If you are a risky trader, you can wait. Don't do any changes. Wait for either target or SL. If once one day SL hit, don't worry. Tomorrow it will give the profit. Even tomorrow also SL hit, don't worry. Month end you will get sure profit. Okay, so that is our strategy. So next, what I will show you, zinc also I can show you. Natural gas, I think I have shown. Zinc we are not trading because it is per lot. It is some 5,000 rupees per lot, so very risky. So what you have to do, first we have to enable first buy and first sell and see what has happened. So now it has come down, but we had missed the entry by how many points? 10 paisa we have missed the entry. But again, in strategy, we will be telling you can take some 300 rupees extra risk. So 10 paisa means it is only 250 rupees. 10 paisa means it is 500 rupees. Okay, for 5 paisa it is 250. So 500 rupees. So 300 only we are advising to take extra risk. So if you have not taken this buy entry because it is not activated, what happened? We could have taken the sell entry, right? Sell has been exactly activated. So now Now we have to disable the first buy. As per the strategy I'm talking, right? But if you are a price action based trader, so whenever the moment it comes down, you will take the buy entry. But as per the strategy, we cannot consider because we are telling maximum extra risk of 300 rupees. If you want to take 500 rupees extra risk, it is up to you. Okay. We are not telling anything. So market has given, then immediately it has given the low. So what is the low yesterday? We have got 233.15 and sell activated at 234.60. So 234.60 minus 233.15. 1.45 points you have got the profit. For per lot it is 1 lakh. Per lot it is 5,000 rupees. So the profit is zinc 7,250 rupees profit you have got. Okay. So now we should have revised the stop loss to cost. So SL did not hit. See here, SL not hit. Market closed at 234. So we got some profit of, even if we are not booked the profit, since we will be waiting for the target. So we could have revised the stop loss and we will be waiting, and market closed at 234.05. So now what I will do, I will calculate only the market closing price because we were waiting for the target, that is our aim, and we will revise the stop loss. So stop loss not hit, target not hit. So 23.4.60 minus 234.05 into 5,000 rupees. That is, we got the profit of 2,720 rupees. Okay. Zinc 2,750 rupees profit. So everything is in front of you. You can calculate yourself. Right. That's all. So what else we can see? This is what we are seeing every day: the Nifty, Bank Nifty, copper, nickel, and crude oil, natural gas. So that's enough. So other things you can see if you want. Otherwise, we will avoid. Okay. Now we will calculate the total profit. I will show you how much we have made the total profit yesterday if you have traded as per this. So in Bank Nifty, we have got 16,700 rupees profit. In natural gas, we got 5,625 rupees profit. Copper, we got 25,250 rupees profit. And nickel, we got 27,900 rupees profit. Then in zinc, we got 22,750 profit. So in Nifty, we will consider loss of how much? 8914 minus 4,028. So excluding loss, it comes to 65,283 rupees per lot profit. Okay. So yesterday the total profit was how much? 65,283. This is the profit after deducting the loss. Actually, the total profit was 78,225 minus 8914 minus 4028 equal to 65,283 rupees profit yesterday. Only for these 5 script I'm talking about. But in addition to these 5 script, all other script also would have given the target, but we are not considering. Okay. But for your information, we are not trading in all the script. We are trading only in Bank Nifty and the crude oil. Sometimes you will trade in the natural gas. Okay. Because it is not possible to concentrate in all the script. So if you are if you are favor to nickel, keep trading in nickel alone. If you are a lover of copper, keep trading in the copper alone. So if you are a lover of natural gas, keep trading in natural gas alone. Take any one script and use the indicator and become an expert in the field. So if you are concentrating one day, if you are trading natural gas, and next day if you are trading silver, you will not get the consistent profit at the month end. Okay, so that is what we are telling. This trading is not a gambling, it is a business. When you are concentrating in a business, you will be concentrating very deeply in a single business. At the same time, you will not be concentrating in a multi-business. When you can consider multi-business, you should have the manpower. When you're having manpower, you can concentrate. So now after subscribing to our indicator, what you have to do, hire some people So let them take trade in all the script. They will hire 2 to 3 people. So let them take trades in all the script. So this will work in stocks also. Okay, so there is no issue in that. Okay, that's all. That's about today's session. Thank you all for coming to our channel and watching this yesterday's performance. So fortunately, we are continuously getting profit, and there will be someday we will be getting continuous loss also. Okay, but don't worry, month end you will get some decent profit. You have to compare. No, suppose if you are investing 1 lakh rupees in the bank, how much will be the return? 6,000 rupees per year. Per month you will be getting only 500 rupees. But here, if the same 1 lakh rupees is invested and traded only in the bank Nifty, monthly you will be getting some 50,000 to 60,000 rupees. If you are calculating into year, so it is becoming 6 lakhs plus rupees. So in that way, you have to concentrate. I'm not asking you to trade in all the script. Why I'm showing the indicated performance. But your individual performance is different. The indicated performance is different. So though we know that the indicator is performing in all the script, we are not trading because we cannot take risk in everything. We cannot concentrate actually. So that is the problem. So that's why we are limiting ourselves to 2 script or 3 script. Sometime only we'll take 3 script, but we will take daily if we are taking. Otherwise, we won't take. Even Nifty also we are not trading. So Bank Nifty is having good volatility in the market. So immediately we'll get the profit. And crude oil also, it is our favorite script. So we'll take that script and trade. So hope it is clear. Any doubts, please ask us in Telegram or WhatsApp through message. Only if there is any urgent emergency cases that you are in loss or you don't know how to book the profit or loss, in such cases, you can make a call to the given number 9500009154. So our customer support executive will be there. They will be answering you. So hope it is clear. The strategy is very simple. In the morning, how to enable first buy and first sell. If first buy activated, cancel the first sell and enable the second sell. If first sell activated, cancel the first buy and enable the second buy. Very simple. So you have to be ready with the reverse order. You have to keep sufficient fund. Okay. Thank you all. All the best. Wish you all a happy, profitable day.